Okay, now we're going to look at the same problem and use the other model called break apart numbers to solve 73 times 31 once again. So the first thing that I'm going to do this time is break these apart into expanded form. So just like with the area model, 73 is 70 plus, sorry about that, 3. And my 31 in expanded form, 30 plus 1. And this is the only model that you can't do if you have a 3-digit number. You can do the area model with a 3-digit number. All right, now let me grab a different color so that I can show you how we multiply the numbers. You can't ever multiply numbers that are on the same team. The 30 and the 1 are from the same number, so I can't multiply them by each other. It's what a lot of you did on the classwork that caused you to get this wrong. You cannot multiply 30 times 1 because they're on the same team. You cannot multiply 70 by 3 because they're on the same team. You have to multiply by separate numbers. This is 73, this is 31. So I'm going to draw 4 arrows, 2 that go up and 2 that make an X. Every time I drew an arrow, I'm going to multiply those numbers together. So I like to do my up-downs first. So my first arrow going up is 30 by 70. Make sure you guys can see that. Yes. My next arrow going up is 3 times 1. My first arrow that makes a crisscross is 70 by 1. And my other arrow that makes a cross is 30 times 3, or an X, I should say. Okay, now these should all be simple to solve because you should know your basic facts and you know your patterns. So here we go with 7 times 3 is 21, and then I can add 2 zeros. 3 times 1 is 3, 70 times 1 is 7, identity property again, and 30 times 3 is 90. Now I want to align these to make them easier for me to add. So 2,100, 70, making sure to keep everything nice and aligned, 90, and 3. Add them up. And I got a 3 in my ones place. 9 and 7 is 16. 1 and 1 is 2. And a 2 in my thousands. And that is the break apart numbers model.